All right, Paul Turner calling for a code of honor. Taylor throwing down the gauntlet and says no.
Yeah, and something has snapped ever since that bout with Mandy Leone back in Charlotte. Mandy got the upper hand. She won with a roll-up. You know, that has gotten under the skin of Taylor Hendrix to the point where she's become unhinged. She went off the deep end, and I'm worried for Deonna Purrazzo. She may win the match tonight, but I don't know about the war, just this intensity that Taylor is bringing to the ring.
Look at the intensity of just this lockup.
Yeah, and you may find no stronger woman of honor than Deonna. You know, just that impressive, you know, work ethic in the gym every day.
According to her social media, because I don't really talk to any of these people, but according to her social media, she's been doing CrossFit.
Yeah, look at this. Rolls through, veteran maneuver.
All right.
Okay.
We don't talk enough about the power in a lockup sometimes.
Yeah.
You know, you think of it as sort of a perfunctory thing that happens at the beginning of a match. But you can really establish yourself and establish your positioning just in a lockup. And that was a very strong, powerful start to this match.
Yeah.
Going for a knuckle lock here.
Yeah, the Greco-Roman knuckle lock here. And this is going to set the tone of the match like you mentioned. Now, wrist lock. Look at that. And she's going for that Fujiwara armbar. That's the move she uses to end matches here in Women of Honor.
Taylor rolls out, says no, breaks it.
Oh, Taylor with the slap. And now Taylor, Irish whip in. Reversed by Deonna. Ooh, shoulder tackle.
Big tackle.
Now drop down, over. Ooh, veteran savvy. Taylor, of course, she does have the experience edge. Snapmare takeover.
Right, she saw that coming for sure.
And those long legs just wrapped around the throat of Purrazzo. But now Deonna pushes out. Beautiful drop kick. Now, of course, interesting note, back when the Women of Honor was reestablished last year in Baltimore, both of these women were in the match. Of course, Deonna was competing against Mandy Leone,
Right.
and watching from the aisle was Taylor. So these two go back to the start of the Women of Honor movement back in Baltimore.
And no doubt, Taylor Hendrix has been known to scout the Women of Honor matches even when she herself is not an active competitor, be it on commentary or
Ooh!
from the aisleway, as you said.
Right.
Oh, here's a trademark